Hi everybody, just wanted to show my tool wall. Just starting out. This is my first setup. Looked at a lot of ideas on YouTube and there's quite a few good ideas, but the only thing I couldn't figure out was how to set up my sockets, and there's nothing on YouTube about putting them on a tool wall. So this is the idea I come up with. I figure I'd do a little video, maybe be some inspiration to somebody. What I used was round pieces of wood. I cut them down, smaller pieces for the quarter-inch sockets. And so far it's been working out pretty good. Made this for my drill bits, my spade bits. This here for reducers and adapters, extensions, and my ratchets. I think that space there, I might put this box. I had some old barn wood left over. Piece of plexiglass, which I got out of a big screen TV. Looks like it's pretty dusty in here. Yep, so. Alright, well, that's the end of it. Thanks for watching.